We will start now. We will continue with this class. We can wait more people, right? Because they know that they have to connect right now, yes? So let's
Yes.
continue then, and we will start working in the exercises from page, right? This page.
535.
I'm gonna give you, wait, listen, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes, right, to solve these problems. The ones that we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes? Hurry up. 3 minutes. I'm counting. You know what to do, right? You know what to do. And the first one it says, how can you write 10 over 3 as a division expression and as mixed number? So you have to represent this fraction 10 over 3 as a division first, and then you have to become this fraction into mixed number, right? Because as you can notice, the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? You have to divide. I want to see if you're working. You have 1 more minute. 1 more minute. These exercises are pretty easy. Yes. 1 more minute, guys. You finished? You finished, guys?
No.
Now, we may start now. We have to start now. So, number one, do you have the answer, Angeles? Do you have the answer? You got the answer, Angeles?
Yes, mister, I have the
Okay.
answer.
Okay, so as you know that this, it is impossible, right, to lead this exercise as it is, yes? And then they ask us, right, to write this fraction as a division, yes? As a division, how would you write this as a division, Angeles?
I will write 11 divided by
Number,
10.
number one is this one, yes?
divided by 3.
10 divided by 3. So, yes, and then the answers as well, right? That we have to write as a mixed number. Yes? So what we have to do now? We have to divide. Yes?
Yes.
So how we're gonna do this? Then how we're gonna become this in mixed fraction? Divided by 3. Yes? How many times 3 fixing number 10?
9. 3.
3, right? And then 3 times 3 is equal to
9.
9. And then we subtract. And then we got here 1.
1.
So in this one, the answer will be 1 over
9.
3 because it's the same denominator, right? So 10 over 3, you are gonna write as a mixed number 3. Sorry. 3, guys. 1 over 3. Do you have this answer?
Yes.
Yes? Okay,
1 over 3.
let's
You
continue
say-
with number 3 now. Let's continue with number 3. Find 11 divided in 10 and 10 divided in 11. Write each quotient as a fraction or mixed number. Okay, the first one, 11 divided by 10. How would you represent this as a fraction? How would you
1
represent
over 10.
11 over
La número 2.
10? We're gonna work with number 3, yes? 11 under 10. But do we have to do something else with this fraction or not?
Do it like the mixed number.
Yes, of course. And which is the answer?
1 over
1 over 10.
1,
1 over 10.
1 over 10.
of course. 1 over 10. And the second one, how would you represent 10 over 10 divided by 11?
10 over 11.
10 under 11. And do we have to do something else here or not?
Right.
It is okay to leave it here, like this? ¿Está bien dejarla así como está aquí o no?
Yes.
That's right, because the numerator, it is less than the denominator, yes? And that's the idea. So this explains us, this gave us the cloud that we will find these two types of fraction here, right? Vamos a encontrar quotients con mixed number and normal in quotient as fraction, right? Yes, and obviously we are gonna become the mixed fraction when we got that numerator greater than the denominator. Yes? So now, let's take a look at it, right? So here we have to identify, guys, in number 4 and 5. We have the problem and then we have to write as a fraction. Yes? Yes, guys? So, number 4, it says, 2 friends share 3 apples. How would you represent this as a fraction?
3 over 2.
3 over
No.
2. Yes, but what happened here? What happened?
The numerator is greater than the
So, what
denominator.
we have to do?
Divide.
Divide. So, which will be the answer?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Yes.
Yes.
In this way, they will, right? They will divide the apples. Yes. This is the answer. 1 over 2. So number 5. Let's work with number 5. 3
It
students.
would be 5 over 3.
5 over 3.
Yeah.
In the numerator, we need to divide, and it will be 1 over One one over
3, right? And which is the answer?
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Are you sure?
1, 2 over 3.
Yes, 1, 2 over 3. Because if you subtract, yes. If you subtract 3 from 5 is equal to 2, right? 1, 2 over 3. Yes? Now, do you have questions, guys? Do you have questions?
No.
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 Let's continue solving these exercises then. Let's continue working with this page. So, you're gonna work. You're gonna work with the independent practice, right? It means that you have to work a lot, and then we're gonna share with us, with the rest of the class. Yes? Then we got number 6 from 13 and then to 17. Hurry up, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to work with these exercises. Yes? Hurry up. I wanna see everybody working. Here we have the representation as a division. So actually what we have to do is represent this as a fraction and then to see if we got a fraction or mixed number as a quotient. Yes?
¿Quién está mandando mensaje?
I'm using my cell phone. Are you working? Did you finish? Then, guys, you have
Wait, yes,
these exercises are pretty easy, right? These lessons, lesson 1 and 2 are pretty easy, right? Leticia, why? ¿Por qué llegó tarde, Leticia? Tell me. Se durmió. ¿Fue a la clase de español, Leti?
No. Sí fue, pero se tuvo la cámara apagada y creo que no estuvo en clase.
No vino.
No, porque no estuvo hablando y la mí le estuvo llamando.
Ajá, la misma. No, y le estoy llamando a la mamá para que entrara y no entró.
Escuchen, qué montón de Leticias tengo en el aula yo. Y le pregunté a Leticia y ella fue la única que no contestó y después todos contestaron.
¿Quién es Nidia Luque?
Si hubo problemas con conexión o algo, si todos tienen problemas con conexión aquí o no. Algunas veces ustedes también tienen problemas de conexión, ¿verdad? Y nadie les dice que no llegaron a clase por tal cosa, ¿verdad que no?
No.
Y entonces no debemos juzgar a los demás, ¿ok? Okay, did you finish?
No, Mr. Wait.
Hurry up.
Mister, tengo que hacer el proceso.
Claro.
Todo, la división, pero acá no acaba el todo.
Lo vas a resolver algo magia.
Obvio, pero algunas no. Algunas sí, otras no.
Sí, pero hay unas que sí y acá no caben. Tengo que hacer una mini cajita.
Pues entender no.
Write the answer. And that's it.
Finish. Sí, está súper fácil.
Okay, you finish?
Yes.
Yes.
You finish until 17 or until 13?
13.
17.
Let,
17.
let's share until number 13 and then we will work in the other ones, right? So,
Mr. Wait.
Gabriel, number 6. Could you tell me what we have in number 6? 11 divided by...
Mister, I am doing it. Oh, the page, the
But you have to work quickly. You are talking and then you don't work.
Mister, it's easy.
And I say number 6. This is
Hi,
the...
Mister.
I think that you have it, Gabriel.
Hi,
Number
Mister.
Gabriel. I said
Es el primero.
Gabriel. Number 6. You have it?
Mister, it's easy.
Okay, Gabriel.
Hi, Mister. My Mister.
is 1 and 1/5.
1/5, guys. Is that the answer? Is that the answer, guys?
There is 1/5/6.
1/5. Oh, what happened, Gabriel?
Okay.
Gabriel, do you understand the exercises or not? Do you have questions, Gabriel?
No much, Mister.
No. Okay, so this answer is, which is the answer, guys?
1/5
or
1/5 over
6.
6.
3. Of course, you have to be careful with this, right? Number 7, Diego Samuel.
Yes. Is, pero, Mister, hay algo que yo no hice, que es el procedimiento, todo.
Okay, but you have to represent 1 divided by 5 into a fraction.
Is 5/1.
5/1. Like this.
Así.
Why? Could you please explain me why you have this answer?
Porque el denominador es 5. Pero es mayor que 1, entonces hay que dividirlo. ¿O no?
Do you agree with this, guys?
Mister is 1/5.
Listen,
It's 1/5.
listen, Diego. Listen to me. When we have this division, right? We're gonna write them as we have it, right? The first number that appear in the division will be the numerator. So, which is the first number that appears in the division? Number 1, right? So, if I have here number 1, which is the number that is missing, or the second number that I have here? Number 5, right? So, it means that...
Gustavo, silenciate, porfa, silenciate.
Mister, silencia a Gustavo.
Gustavo, please, Gustavo. Okay, so Diego, are you paying attention? So the first number that I got in the fraction, in the division, sorry, will be my numerator. In this case, number 1. So the second number that I have will be my denominator. So which is the second number that I have here?
5.
5. So which is how we are gonna represent this division?
Creo que lo
Over 5. Yes? Do you have it like this?
entiendo.
So
Sí, entonces,
you don't have to do anything here because you got the numerator
Because the denominator is greater.
less than the denominator. Yes? You just have it like this. This is the answer. Yes? So let's continue. Angeles, number 8.
Number 8 is 4/2/4.
4/2/4, right? Because you can observe, right, at once that my numerator will be greater than that the denominator. So it means that I have to divide. Yes? So let's do this division. And let's see if this is the correct answer. We got 18. Yes. 18 divided by 4. How many times number 4 fixed in number 18?
4.
4.
4.
Yes, of course, 4. 4 times 4 is equal to
16.
16. Wait, right? And then we have to subtract. And then we have to subtract. And then 8 minus 6 is equal to
2.
2. This is my reminder, right? This is my reminder, right? Yes. And then as I have here this quotient, right? Number 4, then I will add just that fraction that my quotient will be, or my reminder in this case, will be number 2. And my denominator, right, will be the same, number 4. So 4/2/4, it is the answer. Good job, Angela. So, Angela, sorry. Number 9. Christian, do you have questions?
I want to do the number 9.
Okay, number 9, Christian, and then Bayron said, no, right? Okay, Christian.
5 divided by 9 is equal to 1/4/9.
Oh, could you repeat again, please?
1/4/9.
1/4/9. We're talking about number 9. Yes?
Mister, 5/9.
Listen.
Mister,
5/9.
it's 5/9.
Y 5/9.
Christian,
Ah, entonces estaba bien.
Christian. No, guys, don't know.
No le entendía, pero ahorita le entendí.
That is incorrect, Christian.
Porque está bien.
Could you please turn off your microphones? I can explain to Christian if everybody is talking. Please. You have to respect. Diego Samuel, could you please turn off your microphone? ¿Pueden escucharme, niños? Can you hear me? Guys, ¿pueden escucharme? ¿Pueden escucharme o no?
Se trabó el mister otra vez.
Yo estoy así.
¿Pueden escucharme? Can you hear me?
Sí.
Yes, yes,
Sí,
yes.
pero la cámara se ve un poquito trabada. Ah, no, ya no.
Okay, so Christian Mejima, pay attention to this, right? When we're talking about the representation of these fractions, right? Like for example, we got the first number, right, will be my numerator. Yes. Which is the first number that we have here, Christian?
5.
5. Yeah, so I'm going to write 5 as my numerator. And then the second number that I have will be my denominator. So, the second number that I have. 9. Yes. So, this is the representation of this. Yes. So it means that I have 5/9. So do I have to do something or I have to leave it like this?
Leave it like that.
Yes, right, because my numerator, it is less than the denominator. Yes? Good, Ben. Understand, Bayron? Is Bayron here or not?
Yes. It's 1/8.
1
1/8.
to 8. Yes, that's the answer. I know that that is the answer. Yes. So, number 11, Andrea Larissa.
Is
3/10.
3/10. Yes, that's the answer. We have the same answer? Yes?
Yes.
Who want to share number 12? Maria Jose?
Mm,
You want to do it?
yes, Miss.
Hey, Maria, tell me.
The answer of number 12 is 12/17.
12/17. Are you agree with this? Do you agree with this, guys? Yes, right. So, Miguel,
Yes.
13. Miguel Alejandro, 13. Miguel Alejandro, are you in class?
Yes.
Okay, number 13. 13.
1/8/20.
1/8/20.
20.
Do you have the same answer, guys? Yes or no? Guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, of course. That's the answer. So, now, guys, did you finish this other exercise or do you need one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to the people who hasn't finished, right? You finish. Hurry up. You have
We need to finish exercise 14, 15, 16, and 17.
yeah,
Okay.
16 and 17. 1 minute to finish.
Mister, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, hurry up. And Maria, you may go as well.
I finished, Mister.
Finish.
Los comerciales.
Okay, let's continue with this and then we're gonna finish because it is time, right? It's almost time and then we don't have time. Yes, then 14, Andrea Monserrat, 2 girls share 7 yard of ribbon.
Mister, this part I don't understand too much. You can explain me again, please.
Sorry, could you repeat again? You haven't finished?
No, I don't finish.
You didn't finish, okay, you have to finish. So now let's listen then to Kenneth, number 14, Kenneth. 2 girls.
Two girls share 7 yards of ribbon.
Yeah.
Is 3/1/7.
3/1/7? Yes.
Yes.
That's the answer. Do you have the same answer, guys? Guys, do you have the same answer? Yes, right?
Yes. Mister is over 2.
That representation would be 7/2, right? So you mean that you have to divide. And that's the answer, 3/1/7. Leticia, 15, Leticia. Number 15, Leticia. Leticia, ¿está en clases Leticia o no? Okay, Leticia, I need to see you. I need to know if you have the exercises. Please turn on your camera.
Leticia se fue. Y nunca volví a...
Solo puso el publicar.
Okay, Leticia, share the answer of number 15. Leticia, share the answer of number 15, please. This one. What happened? Okay, denominador, share number 15.
Okay. It is 1, 4, and 7 over 7.
1, 4 over 7. We have the same answer, guys. The representation would be 7 over 4, right? So you mean that you have to divide, yes? But do you think that this answer is correct, guys? Gabriel? Do you think that the number 15 is correct? 1, 4 over 7? I think, I don't know if I'm wrong, but I think that numerator is different.
Mister, I think that the number 5 is 1, 3.
Let's divide this number. We're gonna see if this is the answer, right?
Mister, I can see. I can't.
7 divided in 4. Yes. How many times number 7 fixed in number 7?
Possible in number 4.
1, and then we have 4.
7 minus 4.
7 minus 4 is equal to
3.
3. Diego, you have to subtract correctly. Diego Miguel. Yes? So, Diego Amador, you have to be careful with your division. So, my numerator is number 3. And my denominator is number?
4.
This is my denominator, number 4. 4. So you have to follow the instruction, Diego. Right?
Yo lo entendí.
Yes.
16.
Ya lo entendí.
16. Glynis? Glynis?
Yes.
Number 16.
I can see number 16.
But you have it in your book or not?
I don't have my book.
Okay, but you don't have the, ¿no puede ver la pantalla? ¿Pueden ver la pantalla?
Sí.
Yes, mister.
¿Pueden
Si
ver?
está en teléfono, puedes hacer zoom.
Mister, I gonna see in what page? What page?
Escuchen. ¿Pueden ver la pantalla que yo estoy proyectando?
Mister, I gonna
Sí, mister, se la podemos ver.
Glynis?
I gonna see it in
I
here
can't
on.
see, mister. I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna share again the board. What I don't know what.
Sí se ve bien.
Okay, Glynis. What is Glynis? Pay attention, Glynis, to the board because I'm sharing with you, sir. So, can you see now, Glynis? Glynis?
Yes.
So, number 16.
Mister, that time ya se va a acabar.
Yes, but it is missing just one exercise and then the homework. Hurry up, Glynis.
No.
Glynis?
Ma,
Glynis, are you in classes, Glynis, or not?
2000 años más tarde y después
Mister, because I was on the bathroom.
Ah, okay, but you have to finish. So, Miguel Avila, tell me the number 16.
Number 16 is 1, 3 over 1.
Okay, which is the denominator here? to represent the problem.
4.
We have 4 cousins, right? And they will share 3 pies. Yes, they got 3 pies. And they will divide it into 4. Yes? So that as a fraction, I got 3/4. Yes or not, guys? Am I right or not?
Miss, I can see the board.
Remember, Miguel, that my denominator will be the number that I'm dividing the things, right?
Está bueno.
4,000, right? That will be my denominator. And then I got 3 pies, and I will divide these 3 pies into 4 people, right? Am I right or not, guys? Is that the answer or not? Yes? So, correct it, Miguel, please. Andrea Larissa, number 8. Hurry up.
1/4/8.
Could you please, who is talking? I don't know who's talking. Okay, Andrea.
It is 1/4/8.
4/8. Do you have the answer, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you will start, yes, and as homework, right? You have to develop. Listen. Number, this one 536. All the exercises, all the problems.